Realistically, the common approach today is to hope everything will be okay. Suffer through the problems, throw more people at it, more time, more money. But as we know, hope is not a strategy, and budgets aren't bottomless. So something else needs to be done. And the good news is that there is an easy solution that anyone can put in place today. Instead of suffering through the issues, recruiting more people, or doing periodic visits to remote OT locations, we suggest that everyone gets real-time visibility into what's happening at each of those sites, each of those locations, to give their teams the ability to monitor remote IT locations on their computer and mobile device from the comfort of their desk chair without ever having to go anywhere. And that's exactly why we built Sentry.